Ever imagined how it would be living in a home with no doors? Going to sleep without checking if the doors are closed or going out without locking them? Well, you will be surprised to know that there is a village in Maharashtra where houses have no door. Shani Shignapur, a village in Maharashtra, has a special legend that draws about 40,000 visitors every day. In this village, houses don't have doors, shops are always open, and the locals feel safe. The villagers there don't worry much about security because they trust Lord Shani, the god of Saturn, will protect them. What do legends say? Legend has it that around 300 years ago, during heavy rain and flooding, a large black rock slab appeared on the shores of the river. When villagers touched it with a stick, blood oozed out. That night, the village head dreamt of Shani, the deity associated with the planet Saturn, who claimed that the slab as his idol. Lord Shani instructed that the rock should remain in the village where he would reside. However, Lord Shani had one condition: the rock and its powers must remain exposed so that he could watch over the village unhindered. Shani then blessed the leader and vowed to safeguard the village from harm. And this is how the villagers decided to have no locks and doors installed in any house on the belief that Lord Shani was watching over and protecting the villagers. This tradition has continued now for generations. Locals occasionally lean wooden panels against their front door frames to keep stray dogs out, but they have no permanent doors and leave their gold jewelry and money unsecured, firmly believing that their holy guardian will protect them from any mishap. Even the public toilets in the village square just have a thin curtain at the entrance for privacy. Since then, the villagers have left their homes unlocked, trusting Shani's protection. In addition, new constructions have to honor these protocols too. Locals are so unworried that they don't even ask their neighbors to watch over their house while they are out of town. They believe that the thieves will be immediately punished with blindness, and anyone dishonest will face 7.5 years of bad luck. In fact, local people say that one villager installed wooden panes at the entrance of his house. He had a car accident the very next day. Because of this history, Shani Shignapur attracts devotees from across India. At least 40,000 visitors come in each day to see this once humble shrine that has grown into a large temple with extensive property and donations. Although Shani Shignapur has officially remained free from theft for centuries, a 2010 visitor reported that cash and valuables worth rupees 35,000 were stolen from his vehicle. Another theft of gold ornaments worth rupees 70,000 was reported in 2011. However, the charges were dismissed as the villager insisted that they took place outside this village. People argue that low crime rate in this area is due to village's remote location rather than the miraculous powers of the Lord Shani. Whatever the truth, times are changing and some villagers are challenging this age-old custom, seeking permission from the Gram Panchayat to install doors and locks to ensure the safety of their family. It's even interesting to note that even the police stations and post offices do not have doors there. The United Commercial Bank also opened its first lockless branch in Shani Shignapur, although it has a glass entrance and a remote control electromagnetic lock which is barely visible. But most villagers at Shani Shignapur hope that the tradition will continue, that Lord Shani continues to protect them from every evil eye for many centuries to come. Still not convinced? Visit this unique village and see for yourself. For more interesting videos, keep on watching NewsX.